So, continuing with the Ford Timberline, it's pretty tight back here. This is the third row. I mean, you really don't have a lot of leg room. This is what ejects the seat. Sometimes it doesn't like it. So you're sitting here and you're, basically like this. Not good for like, a major road trip, but it'll be good for kids back here. If you take kids back in your car. I am really surprised with this. Just delivered, less than 100 miles. Didn't even notice it because I never got in the back seat. Wonderful thing from the factory, not installed properly. So that means you got to pull off this entire plastic piece and reset it. Sorry, Ford. You're delivering a limited edition car. You should make sure that your QA is actually better than this. I mean, it's not a big deal, and you just pull it out and clip it back in, but obviously it passed inspection to get to the dealer, and it was not right from the factory. And you cannot change that unless you pull that entire plastic piece off, which should be fun. The dealer will take care of it, I guess. Not a functional problem, just annoyance when you're paying, for a limited edition car. Should not have problems like plastic pieces not inserted into their proper places.